That's cute. McDougal
Are they holding
Boyles,
hands?
They're holding carts, trying to make sure one doesn't jump the other. Green flag in the air, A main underway. Chase Jones leads him. Boyles on the bottom, he's gonna get under Hoffman. Boyles now to the lead, slider on Chase Jones. Here comes Kevin Thomas Jr. Fourth to second, 3 wide.
Nick Hoffman looking on the inside here. The modified ace from Mooresville, North Carolina, takes the lead on lap number 3. Can Hoffman drive the tail-take investments number 2? But don't look now, the red number 1 is back out front. Clinton Boyles in the lead.
Here comes the baby Bang Bam in Birmingham. Got up, smelt second there for a second, just didn't have a good run on the leader. Here comes Chase Jones.
Chase Jones back to the lead. He did some squats this week and it is paying off in the wall. Hoffman back to the lead.
Kevin Thomas Jr. with a strong drive off the bottom. He's gonna go to the lead. Chase Jones is gonna send it in. He had that thing crossed up for all the glory.
Don't look now, Jace McDougal. It looks like McDougal's lost his seatbelt. McDougal is down to 1 shoulder's belt here. We're gonna red flag
it just for McDougal here.
Wow.
I think it broke. Oh, I think McDougal's going to the barn.
McDougal is getting a fresh bullet.
Ready, green flag in the air. Kevin Thomas Jr. leads it. Chase Jones back to the bottom though.
Chase Jones.
Hold on, Ian Birmingham.
Chase Jones out to the lead. Clinton Boyles in second here. Jace McDougal still chesting out that shoulder belt.
Hoffman, elbows up here on the bottom. He's up to the 3rd spot. He gets inside Chase Jones. Hoffman now gonna throw it inside of your leader. Colin is shot the whole way. Boyles had a foot off the pedal. Chase Jones back to the lead. Here comes Jason McDougal. Big slider up to P number 2.
Looks like we got getting ready to have the end of the first stage here. 2 to go on the stage. Chase Jones out in the lead. 1 bonus point for whoever can pick up the stage wins.
Hopefully that'll be McDougal, man. We're points racing here in the Wheeler Motorsports.
Here we go, into the first stage.
Clinton Boyles wins it.
Clinton Boyles in the red number 1.
All right, all right. Green flag back in the air, stage number 2. Chase Jones leads him down. Boyles off the top rope, Ripper Magoo. Kevin Thomas Jr. in the 2nd spot now on the bottom. He throws it in. He's gonna get around Chase Jones. Hold on to your purses. Here comes Hoffman. Here comes Birmingham. There's McDougal. Chase Jones back to the front.
Kevin Thomas Jr. is looking for the crossover. Kevin Thomas Jr. to the lead. Jones in 2nd. Nick Hoffman's working that high side, but Birmingham, he has been lurking in the back, but he is making a run towards the front here, Chris.
Jason McDougal now going to try and throw a slider. Short slider, didn't stick. Now we'll get him off at 2 as Chase Jones and Kevin Thomas Jr. Neither one of these guys can break away and do anything about it. As soon as you go to defense, you end up in offense. Birmingham, Looperton, he's going to keep rolling though. We've seen that before in the A-Man. It's not really hurt him because the racing's so good. McDougal on KTJ. McDougal now on Chase Jones. KT back underneath him though.
Kevin Thomas Jr. says, watch out boys, as McDougal and Jones are fighting. Thomas Jr. back to the lead. Jones is looking back on the inside and he takes it. Chase Jones back to the lead. Thomas Jr. in 2nd. McDougal in 3rd. Looks like we have a 3-kart battle for the lead here for this stage 2. We are 2 laps away from the end of the stage here.
Of course, obviously you get that championship point, but you get that better starting option here for the run for the final 20. You know that unless it's a red, you're not going to get any stoppage. KT back under McDougal. Chase Jones leading it though. Checkered and yellow, that's going to do the stage. Chase Jones will win it.
That works. Here we go.
Green flag in the air, the final 20 to bring home the money, the milk, and everything that comes with it. Chase Jones, Kevin Thomas Jr., McDougal hanging tight on the outside. Clinton Boyles here on the bottom. Ian Birmingham trying to get through. Hoffman can't seem to get his forward momentum back.
Chase Jones has got the lead here early on in the 3rd stage, but Kevin Thomas Jr. came from the C all the way to the A. If anybody knows how to pass some carts here tonight, it is him. Let's look out for him here in the closing laps.
So Chase Jones getting a bumper full of the 9K. the pride of Coleman, Alabama. He's got a key to the city, folks. Did he get him freed up enough? He did. KT worked it for 4 laps, getting him moved up out of the way.
Here comes Boyles. Boyles takes the thank you from Kevin Thomas Jr. Open that up. Boyles moves into second, but gives Jones a spot back, but McDougal's going to slide in there as well.
McDougal not able to capitalize, but the crossover comes from Boyles. McDougal going to go with him. Chase Jones on to Ripper Magoo. Halfway home for Kevin Thomas Jr. And these guys are back here measuring plastic bumpers. KTJ out to a 1.6 second advantage. Kevin Thomas Jr. is rolling right now. Clinton Boyles, red gloves forever, running P number 2. McDougal's going to get by Chase Jones for 3rd.
Tell you what, KTJ goes purple with a 7.016, but McDougal is not far behind there in that 3rd spot. Does McDougal have enough to run him down with 7 laps to go?
I don't think, unless we get a red, anybody's going to touch Kevin Thomas Jr. He's trying to go back-to-back weeks. 5 to go from your chief starter, Jason Burgess.
Kevin Thomas Jr. out to a 2.5 second advantage. That equals out to be about a straightaway here. He has found that right line. That right rear is glowing.
The battle
here.
for 3rd, though. Chase Jones trying to get underneath McDougal. Birmingham's going to try and push James Jones through. And he does. Birmingham now underneath. 2 laps to go. Kevin Thomas Jr. now getting the white flag. Kevin Thomas Jr. into turn number 3. Turn number 4, KTJ. KTJ wins it. And for the 2nd straight week, Kevin Thomas Jr., here we are in victory lane.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. You know, I know Clem's going to say my kart's a little fast, but, you know, it was, it's a little unfair, but, you know, it was still fun. And, you know, I'm glad I could finally shut my dad up. I heard he was texting you about I'd make a habit of running 2nd here lately, so I'm glad he could be quiet then. And, you know, it's pretty cool to win on IMS night and to get this the milk. You know, it's so cool, and to have Doug here and once again Jerry here with Speedtown Comfort, it's just a lot of fun. And coming out here and racing and just having the people out here in the atmosphere. I know it's a go-kart race, but it's still a lot of fun.
So for a team owner, Jerry Wilson, how about that? Kevin Thomas Jr. 2 weeks in a row.
Look, I got the right shirt on tonight. No Air Force shirt. And look who I brought.
And he even brought the boss.
Come here.
So your husband does a lot of crazy things. When he told you he did this and he was going to have these guys racing in this series and he was going to be the title sponsor, you thought he was crazy, but look at the smile on his face.
Well, of course, and it was worth it because we got KT.
Kevin Thomas Jr. and the Speedtown Comfort Heating and Cooling family. We're looking for his plaque. Jacob Brown's going to bring the plaque. That's your winner. There's your glass of milk. One more round of applause for Kevin Thomas Jr. How about this one in the 2nd spot? Clinton Boyles once again on the podium here at TNT.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I don't remember the last time we were off of the podium. You know, KT had a really good car, and he's on a better diet plan than I am, so that definitely helped him out a little bit. But can't thank Tim Walker enough for supporting me and what I do here at TNT at SIK. It's really cool, and you know, really happy to be here hanging out with everybody.
That's Clinton Boyles. He runs 2nd. Now come on down, Chase Jones, your 3rd place finisher. Another podium here for you tonight.
Yeah, it's pretty cool to get another podium 2 weeks back to back. Felt like I was just getting pushed around there while I was in the lead. Definitely was struggling a little bit with that cart, but it was a lot of fun nonetheless.